Hello guys, welcome again on my channel. So today in this video we will be covering what is shell, what we will achieve by doing shell scripting, and what are the prerequisites for this course, and then we do some hands-on, and then finally some interview tips for shell scripting. So let's begin. So you are wondering what are the uses of shell scripting? Why should I learn shell script? So shell script is really very helpful tool. It can help us to save a lot of time for us and automate some routine task. Just consider one example. There is a folder, and the folder, like we want to do some operation. Whenever the folder go beyond 80% memory utilization, we need to perform some cleanup, and we need to make sure that only a file deleted from last week. So all these tasks can be done through shell script. So there is no human intervention is required, and this script can be triggered at every day start of the day. So see, in future video you will be seeing some scripts which will help us to perform some mundane task. So what is shell? So shell is an interface between operating system kernel and its end user. Here end user can be a user or an application. So in simple words, like user want to interact with the operating system kernel, so he will be using a shell. So through shell interface, the user will trigger some command, and that command will be passed to the kernel, and then kernel will use the hardware and perform that operation and then respond back to the user. So shell is just a middle layer between application user and the kernel. So basically this is a shell, we just launch it. So now there are many types of shell, just example, C shell, bash shell, corn shell. So now I just want to know which shell I'm currently using. So there is a command which, and then dollar shell. So this will tell us currently which shell instance is invoked. So we can see that we are in bash shell. Now I want to know that how many shell are present in this particular Unix version. So there is a folder. So we will see cat is for just seeing the content of a file. So I know that the folder is present at etc folder, then shells. This is the file. So here you can see we have sh shell, bash shell, r shell, r bash. So these many cells we are having currently. So this was the about shell. So let's start with the practical example of bash, how it is working. So this is a bash cell because we already checked which cell this one, dollar shell. So this will tell us which cell currently we are using. So we are using bash cell. So let's say if I write a command here pwd, and this command will give me the current directory, present working directory. So now I just want to understand how this command executed. So simply whenever we are entering a command, then that command will be looked up in a pre-configured path, and if command found on that path, then shell will execute it, and then kernel will come into the picture, and then operation will be performed. But where this path is configured, so this path is configured in a path variable. So just see echo dollar path. So echo command will print the value of path variable. Don't worry about these commands. We will going to be discuss this in detail. So currently see in my machine these many paths are configured. So if you see there's a one path. So each path is separated by colon. So these many path we have configured currently. So simply when I type pwd, then one of this path, like all these path will be scanned by shell, and then we will be if we found a pwd program, then it will be executed, otherwise we will get an error. So just we want to locate the pwd, so I know that where it is located. So simply cd, we will go into our bin directory. So here we are bin directory, and here I will list, and all the files. LL is for listing all the files. So just I will grab whether the PWD program is present or not. See, so don't worry about this grep command, LL command, all these commands we will be discussing in future videos. So simply in bin location, I can see there is a PWD program is present. So this this program have a code which will give us the current present working directory. So simply when we execute this command, this path was configured in path variable, hence it was found and it was executed. But let's say if I just write down bwder, this is not a command, so we will get error because bash was trying to search this program in this path, but it didn't found this and then it returned the error. So this is how uh, SL invoke look for the command and then execute the program. So I hope it's clear to you now. Okay, then fine. So, like, what is the prerequisite for learning shell script? So, in simple words, anyone who have some basic knowledge of programming, he can learn shell scripting very easily within 15 to 20 days. So, let's start learning. For interview perspective, I can see only two questions from this video, like what is cell and how it works, and the second, like what are the different types of cell. So that's all from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.